family, welcome back, welcome back. So today we're delving deep into the transformative power of meditation. If you don't know me, I'm Mayakia Anderson, the owner of Rooted Finds, where we save lives one sip at a time with our herbal blends and practicing inner alchemy. Like today. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm just going to be guiding you through a really short meditation designed just to foster some inner growth and peace. So whether you're new to meditation or an experienced practitioner, this session is really crafted to help you connect more deeply with yourself today. All right. So I hope that's okay with you. As we get started, I want you to find a comfortable, quiet space where you won't be disturbed. It's probably not my house. You may sit in a chair, a cushion, or even lie down. There's no rules to this thing. But once you're settled, close your eyes and let's begin taking 3 deep cleansing breaths together. As you inhale deeply, feel your lungs expand with air and exhale slowly, releasing all the tension that just got to you this week, right? Imagine a light within you growing brighter with each breath. This light represents your core, your essence. And as we continue, envision the light expanding, filling you with peace and clarity. Right? That's what we need. That's what we're searching for. The joy in life, right? Now, let's focus on an area in your life that you feel challenged right now. I want you to picture this challenge as a cloud hovering over you. And with each breath, see the light dissolving the cloud, transforming into lessons and strength, right? Just demolishing it, changing your perspective. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders. Sense a newfound weight of freedom and breaking the chains of being stuck and complacent. Understand that you have the power and see yourself walking in that power, pushing all that doesn't serve you aside so that you may get to your goal, your promised land, right? That's what we want to see. That is what meditation is about. Focusing on those things that are wonderful. As we conclude, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Gently open up your eyes when you're ready. And I pray you feel just a little better, a little lighter, and that you felt a little peace. Practicing meditation takes time. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes. You can do it in your car. You can do it at work. There's no special place you need to be. Regular meditation can profoundly impact your ability to handle your life's ups and downs. It is one of the greatest tools that we're given. Even the great book speaks of meditation and the things that you should meditate on. It is a powerful way to move through society. It is one of those secrets that you get to sit and go in your own closet and be. So if you could share your thoughts, your experiences, if you meditate, how long you've been meditating, how has it changed your life, if it's changed your life, how it has gotten you through the ups and downs, even if it's just the breathing and you don't have the visualization. Because sometimes when I feel bogged down, just taking those breaths, just walking outside and just breathing in, when breathing out like 20 times, you can feel the weight just drop. It's amazing how being outside, how nature understands what you need. It feels your body's frequency, right? And it comes in to assist. And sometimes you don't feel it right away. And then other times you just feel like, man, why didn't I do this sooner? You feel your shoulders just relax. Your hands can release. Your jaws are no longer clenched. Sometimes we walk around so guarded and we don't even realize it, right? So again, remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I pray that you are enjoying these short little videos, that you can just put some new tools in your toolbox. All right, guys, until next Sunday, be blessed. And as always, I pray that whatever you desire and you seek in this life is desiring and seeking you. Bye, family.